Springfieldians have shopped at the Cooper Brothers Market on the corner of Broadway and High since it opened in 1945. It was right after the war that Bob and Bill Cooper took over operation of the market. Today, the Coopers still have some of the same customers they had when the market opened. But this has not been a happy week for the Coopers. Health reasons are forcing them to close the store after 35 years. Bob Cooper says the grocery business has changed greatly over those years.
Used to, you'd phone in your grocery order and I'd bring it out. Now then you make it out on all the numbers and everything. And credit business, we used to do a lot of credit business. And, of course, we cut the credit down where we didn't have his credit hardly anymore. We used to do a big delivery business. We don't do that much anymore. Little independent ain't going to have much chance. Ain't going to have much chance anymore at all. I don't think.
One glance around the Cooper Brothers Market, and you can see many signs reminiscent of the old neighborhood groceries, like this old-fashioned heater. But you also see some bare shelves as the Coopers prepare for the closing. The Coopers have had many loyal customers over the years.
Oh, heavens, I've shopped here ever since I've lived in this neighborhood, which is 14 years. They got the best meat in town.
So you're going to miss it.
I'm not going to miss it. It's just like part of my family.
What about the customers over the years? I imagine you've made pretty good friendships.
Oh, my man. I'd say I have. That's what it is. We have made lots of friends. You know what to talk about. It's just got the point where you just can't go, you can't go. That's it. It's down to that point. Simple, boy.
The Cooper family has a lot of fond memories after 35 years in the grocery business. Memories which will continue long after the doors finally shut tomorrow afternoon. Jim Caldwell, KY3 Action News.